So again, going back to hands and knees, Zach is gonna go out with his right arm, back with his left leg, and he is not just keeping these relaxed here in this position. He's thinking about pressing his right arm forward and kicking his left leg back. That's gonna activate everything on his posterior chain, his glutes, the muscles in his low back, and the muscles around his shoulder. He's gonna reverse that, go to the opposite side. So left arm pressing, right leg kicking out, and repeat that process there.